How to transfer money from Revolut to Binance. Open up your Revolut app on your phone or computer. Sign into your Revolut account with your username and password. At the top of the screen, find and tap on the crypto option. Now, look for and tap on more from the crypto section. A little pop-up should show up. Tap on send. You'll see a page where you can choose the currency you want to send. Pick the one you're transferring. Next, tap on the little new tab you'll see in the upper right corner. From the options at the bottom, pick Crypto Wallet. Now, you need to fill in some info. First, choose the currency again. It should match what you picked before. Open up your Binance app or website and copy your wallet address for that currency. Go back to the Revolut app and paste that wallet address into the designated spot. If you want, you can add a label or memo to remind you what this transfer is for. When you're all set, tap on Continue at the bottom. Just follow any more instructions that pop up on the screen. Now, it's time to wait a little bit for the transfer to go through. Once it's done, hop over to your Binance account and check to make sure the money arrived. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Revolut to Binance. Wasn't that easy? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.